Led Dependra Phangcho was arrested by the police with an accusations of metal thief at Chinthong, Singdoloi. He was a resident of Rongkarbi, Rongphar village, Chinthong, falling under the jurisdiction of Wothat-Langsot Police Station, West Karbi Anglong District. His physical fitness was examined thoroughly at Baithalangso Hospital before he was finally brought to Hamren District Jail on 13th of December. And on 14th of December, around 3 a.m. early morning, Led Dependra Phangcho was taken to the hospital after his health deteriorated mysteriously. The death of Led Dependra Phangcho had baffled the family members and villagers, as he was under police custody since the day he was arrested. Not even a day had passed after Led Dependra Phangcho was taken to Hamren District Jail. He was then brought to Hamren Sub-Divisional Civil Hospital after his health condition deteriorated mysteriously, which consequently resulted to his death. Sika Hansepi, wife of Led Dependra Phangcho, and family members accused Police Department of Wothat-Langsot to be behind the custodial death of Led Dependra Phangcho. Sika Hansepi, while speaking to us, informed that Led Dependra Phangcho was arrested at Singdoloi. He was a driver and the only loan earner of the family. Wothat-Langsot Tata Mobile Truck Driver Association informed that he was forcefully dragged by the metal thieves, and the reason behind is still not yet known. He was innocent and doesn't have any connection with the thieves. To prevail justice over his death, family members and Wothat-Langsot Tata Mobile Truck Drivers Association staged a protest in form of Hamren Police Station.
Justice kapalong ni pan eltama khana long dam nang kok ko usi pan arju dam nang kok kon da ang li pan same suspension ibiko i pan sinang tuma hian pan tuning rilo
lo ni penan han bang ni gari tum hang pon lo gari solai pinang mati
kona lo ke hang pon
kona lo ne ke hang pon ni ta chin ne ke bhara ke dun mati bang bhara se ke hang pon mati
to pia gari lo ke veke
kata mobile
dang wan dead pen la tumbang ko pitong ki pilone ke theng ke chok pelone ko pilone seta hadak pen la tum han nang ako jelong wan thula sodak ke wan hor bang ke ladak jel nang le rok phit dhagon ta bak sidolo puladak 30 minutes bak sidolo masi ang li phan ba keso la son si peklang lo mat hospital pon lo alom soi da phil kang kalang ache the ve da lopu.
Danieling his report from Hamren for Karbi Anglong Live.